What is up, everybody? Pranks on the block here. Today I'm going to be showing you guys a quick and easy, simple prank. And in this prank, all you're going to need is like an iPad, an iPad box, an iPhone box, anything like that. iPad, iPhone, Mac, anything like that, guys. And alright, so yeah, you're gonna need that and some tape to make it look even realistic. So I'm gonna flip this around. So I'm gonna flip this around right here. This tape these sides. This. So the reason you need the tape is so it can look realistic. So it can look realistic, you know. Maybe then just like that. I'm gonna put a fresh piece of tape because that one was all pretty nasty. Here we go. Cover that. Plug in the tape. Just like that. Just slide in here. Get another piece of tape. Here. Level it out. Since iPads are so light, you don't even need tape. Just think that there's an iPad in there. It's pretty light. So you could do this for birthdays, just regular pranks. Say, oh, thank you for this, I'm gonna give you this iPad. Just be like, oh, look what I got. You open it and be like, oh my gosh, they didn't give me anything in it. They're gonna be like, wow, you should call them and stuff. You guys get it. Because I'll get it. Alright. Just get this thing. I'm gonna be pulling this prank on Alec, saying that I got a new iPad, and I just grabbed it today. And yeah, hope he doesn't see this video before I prank him. So untape this screw. You can see he's not gonna notice the tape that much. Put that right there. Cool. Got all 4 sides. It's gonna be like, oh crap. Spread. Speed them in. So yeah, guys, that's basically it. Let me know what you think about this prank in the comments below. I'm gonna be pranking this. I'm gonna be using this prank to prank Alec. So, prank on the block. Peace. Bye bye. Sorry, because I'm talking too low. Pranks on the block. Peace.